Now import your data from your Excel sheets or even connect your Google Sheet account. You can also append data from a CSV file in an existing table. You can also find duplicates in your table through deduplication. So now quickly print a row and save it as a PDF. Lock view, where nobody can edit the view's configuration till it's unlocked. Embedding or sharing this view, you can also restrict access of this view to a particular email domain. Or you can restrict the access with a password. You can also share an individual view with any of your team members or your clients and give them permissions. So they will only be able to see that particular view within that table. You can also color format rows based on conditions, where status is upcoming, and you can color code them like this, or you can make the full row color. And export your stack back into Excel sheets, or take a database snapshot. You can also now restore things from your recycle bin and never miss any data. Also now automate your API column type. So just click on the clock icon here, create an automation and set it to run every day, 3 days, 7 days, and select if you want to make it run only for new rows or all the rows. Just schedule it. Also now sync your Stackby account to Google Drive. Just connect your account and authenticate it, and you will be able to basically open your stacks right from your Google Drive. Now in Forms, you can also set limit selection to a specific option. Select option that you just want to show and just save it. So only these two options will be visible. So in the final form, only those two options will be visible. You can also set password on your updatable forms. Just go to the form settings and set the password to access and add your password. So when you open it next, you cannot enter without a password. Also works super hard in improving copy and paste of thousands of cells together. And we have improved the performance at least 10 times. We also added 5 brand new column types, from progress to duration to barcode, and created by and updated by. Now also add conditions to your lookup and aggregation. So just toggle on where status is upcoming, and I just want to bring the campaign name. That's it. So it just brings the upcoming campaign. Stackby 1, where you can publish any template and share it with the world. Just add your image, a title, description, select your category and hit on publish. We have also launched a referral program for anyone to earn credits for Stackby and you basically get $5 in credits for every single person that you invite. Also crossed over 300 templates in our template gallery. Launched our brand new desktop apps for Mac and Windows, and also redesigned mobile apps for iOS and Android.